Welcome to Dance Book. This is Claudia and Dimitri. Today we are going to learn choreography to the song of Callum Scott, You Are the Reason. Well, it will be the easiest option of the song, so let's start. So we are going to learn the basic steps of Vienna Waltz. Let's have a look. So, right leg forward, left one backward, knees are bent, and right forward, left backward, right forward, left backward, and counting 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, right 2, 3, left 2, 3, right 2, 3, left 2, 3, right 2, 3, left 2, 3. We would like to remind you that, well, if you wish, you may also watch our Vienna Waltz course that we have prepared for you. And now in a frame together. Men right leg forward, ladies left one backward, we synchronize together. And now I'll tell you about the frame. So we hold each other with our left hand, right one is on lady's shoulder blade, and lady's hand is on my shoulder. Look, our elbows are at the height of 45 degrees. We stay rather far from each other because of the dress. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 1. And now we may dance this step in a different arrangement. Let's have a look. We stay overlap like this, and each of us has our own track. Our steps are the same. So man places his right hand on lady's left side. Lady's hand is on man's shoulders. And we may dance it turning by our right arm, but make sure that the steps are the same. Okay, so to sum up, so we will need that step in our choreography. Of course, you need to practice it well, but of course, we will need to learn some other steps as well. And now we will teach you the first part of our choreography, the intro. We will show you. We are back to you. Our audience is over there, and we are going. We are leading the lady, simple steps. Back is straight, head is up. We lead the lady with our right hand, and now we face each other. We form such a frame, and we'll have the first part. It will be rocking from one leg to the other. So we have such a rocking, and we are just pretending that we haven't prepared our choreography, and we spend the whole 8 on rocking. So man left leg, lady right one, and 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 6, 2, 3, 7, 2, 3, 8, and we separate a bit. So, in such a rocking, we let the hand go, we separate from each other, then lady turns left in one place, man goes right around lady, 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, lady turns right under man's left hand, 6, 7, 8, and the lady takes, well, 2 or 3 turns. So maybe let's count once more. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4. 2 turns in one place and bump. The lady just moves her body weight from one leg to the other, and she turns in one place. So we'll have 2 8s for it. And look, after turning in one place, man lands on lady's left side, and our audience is over there. The man changes the hand on right one. It will be good morning holding. We face the audience. Then the man turns the lady left. And man prepares his right leg. The lady turns left. Starting with left leg, man goes right with his right leg. We grab our second hand, the lady stays in one position facing the audience, and man makes a roundabout. And then twistling, and, well, actually we will explain it in a minute. And now we'll just show you. Look. Well, if you find it difficult, we will show you once more. Look, we are here. Right hand to right hand, and lady starts with left leg. Man right one, and we go. 1, and the lady turns left with left leg. Man gives her left hand at the bottom, and the man may dance roundabout like this. Right leg is straight. It is like a compass, right? Let's have a look. Yes, it's a compass. But if you find it too difficult, you may just stay in this way, like this. So, let's have a look. Roundabout, and look. Right hand up, left one down. We turn the lady right, and the lady starts with right leg. Right, left, right. Hands are still together, and then left, and we stop on right one. What is important here, let's have a look. My right hand is up, left one down. We turn the lady right with our right hand, and we change the hands. Left one is up and right down. Then the lady goes, I follow her, right, left, and on right leg I stop, on right bent leg. And look, I place my left hand on lady's head, and we still hold our right hands. Look, it is very important that we turn the lady, but we don't let her go. It looks as if the lady was cuddling herself, and the man looks just at the lady. And the last thing here, the man let the left hand go. We turn the lady with our right hand. She turns left with left leg. And left, right, and the man takes such a step. All right, like this. All right, so let's have a look once more. We had such a position, then man let the left hand go, and with right one turns the lady, placing her hand over the neck, and I grab the lady like this. And then we'll form such a position. Man starts with left leg, lady right one backward. Man's left leg is bent, right one straight, lady's left one is bent, right one straight, hips are up, and we hold the lady like this without leaning. The body is up once more, look. And lady with her free hand makes the sun like this. We'll show you once more, standing here. Please notice that the lady's hips are up. Lady with her right hand holds my neck. So let's do it once more from the very beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4. The music starts, the first stanza, and 1, 2, 3, 4, reason, 6, 7. We separate 8 and we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And man finishes on lady's left side. We change the hand on good morning. We stay squarely. Then the lady turns left with her left leg. Man starts with his right leg. We turn the lady, giving her second hand. Then roundabout with right leg standing on left one. And the lady turns right under right hand. We change hands under left one. And I place my hand on lady's neck. Well, that's the feeling as if the lady wanted to cuddle herself. Let's have a look once more how it goes. Like this. And the last thing, we let the left hand go. We unwind the lady, her hands over our neck. We grab the lady in this way, and now step. Lady's hips are up. We are going back. Like this. We are straight and we form such a position. Our right hips stick together. Look, it is very easy. Then I place my free hand at the back. Lady's hand grabs the dress. And the basic steps of Vienna waltz starts. Man right leg forward, lady's left one backward. 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 6, 2, 3, 7, 2, 3, 8, 2, 3. As you see, it is very easy.